What's up, YouTube? Here on the Blue Ridge Parkway, just in time for a tunnel. Doing some pre-riding before VAM 21 in Tazewell, Virginia. I'm out here rolling with Ozarks H-D Riders, Dan and his wife Brenda and his brother Wes. So they have never been out here before, so they came all the way out here from Missouri. We met up in Kodak, Tennessee. So I'm just kind of showing them around, showing them the area that I've been to several times. As you can see over there, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. May have to stop at some of these overlooks. Trying to get to the highest one, which is over 6,500 feet in elevation. And it looks like we're close to Mount Pisgah. I think that's what the sign says up here. Yeah, it looks like it's covered up a little bit. So if you have never been here before, come check it out. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm fortunate enough to only be 5 hours away. I've actually stayed over here on the Mount Pisgah campgrounds. We are staying in Canton, North Carolina at the Blue Ridge Motorcycle Campground. It is a beautiful area. So far I like the campground. I got the tent next to the creek, so I'll show you a picture of that. And that is the Mount Pisgah Hotel. There's the country store. Over to my left over here is down there is the campground. So we're heading north. Should be coming up on, I think the next town is Asheville. I don't think I'll be stopping there, just rolling through. Planning on going to the Foothills Parkway, riding through Cherokee, North Carolina, Maggie Valley, on my way to the Foothills Parkway, and then we'll take that all the way down to 129 in North Carolina, which is the Tail of the Dragon, and then hopefully do the Cherahawla Skyway. Maybe end up in Georgia, I don't know. All depends on rain. So speaking of VAM 21, looking forward to meeting everybody. I will show some video of that once we get there. That's going to be pretty funny. Motovloggers, filming motovloggers. You know, being goofballs as we are. Hey, it's all for fun, right? Definitely gives us, well, a lot of us, it's just, there's not a lot of opportunities. Uh-oh, tunnel time, baby. Ooh, God, I love it. Look at that gorgeous view. Like I was saying, it gives us an opportunity to meet people that might not otherwise be able to meet up. I know people are coming from Pennsylvania, New York, well, and Dan, Ozarks H-D Riders, his brother, and Brenda, and his wife Brenda, and they came from Missouri. People are coming pretty darn far. Tunnel time. So I'm going to enjoy the rest of this ride. Crank up some tunes. And let's roll. Parkway. Look at this guy. Motovlog. Like motovloggers, film motovloggers.
Hey, it's a standoff, man. Look, a GoPro meets a GoPro, right?
Ozarks H-D Riders. We got Wes down here, Dan's brother. Miss Brenda, the backbone.
Exactly.
You're hilarious.
No,
really
he said it
funny.
right. He said it right.
You are.
Yep.
No.
This guy's a nut without you.
I'd be worse without her.
So we're gonna ride some of the Blue Ridge Parkway a little bit longer. See how far we can go, maybe to the 6,500 feet. Check out that view. Oh my goodness. It's like that layer of fog just floating above the mountains. Insane. What do you think about that? Look at that big layer. Fog.
Yeah, and you can see the sun, and then it's cloudy over here and not over there.
Oh, that's crazy. Where we at? Okay, we're at over 6,000 elevation here. Yellow face. We made it. This is the highest peak. $6,053 feet. I didn't think we was gonna make it, but we made it.